Everyone laughed when Elon Musk bought Twitter for $44 billion. They said he overpaid. They said it was chaotic. They said he destroyed a social media company and set fire to shareholder value. But what if buying Twitter was never really about social media in the first place? What if that was just the entry point into something far bigger? Now, most people still see X as a social platform with political arguments and viral clips. I see something else forming underneath it. I see infrastructure. I see financial rails being quietly laid. And if this plays out the way Elon originally envisioned, then this will not just be a social media pivot. This will be a restructuring of how money moves in the West. Now, X Money is not a rumour. X Payments LLC is registered with FinCEN. The company has secured money transmitter licenses in over 40 US states plus Washington DC. Visa has been publicly named as a partner. Internal beta testing has reportedly already happened. A limited external rollout is expected. Now, these are not speculative dreams. These are regulatory and operational steps towards becoming a financial platform. Now, to understand why this matters, you have to go back to Elon's roots. Before Tesla, before SpaceX, before rockets and electric vehicles, there was X.com. That company eventually became PayPal. The vision even then was not just online payments, it was to become a digital financial superstructure. That vision never left him, it was simply delayed. Now, when he rebranded Twitter to X, many people mocked the move. They thought it was ego. But Elon openly said that X would become the everything app, including the ability to conduct your entire financial life. He even suggested that traditional bank accounts might not be necessary in the long run. At the time, most people brushed it off as typical Elon Musk exaggeration. Now, the regulatory groundwork is proving that it was not exaggeration, it was roadmap. Think about the strategic advantage here. Traditional banks spend enormous amounts of money acquiring customers, marketing budgets, branch infrastructure, onboarding friction, compliance layers, and years of brand building. X already has hundreds of millions of users. It already owns attention. It already owns the social graph. Distribution is built in. Now, if you can send money as easily as sending a direct message, friction collapses. Peer-to-peer payments become native. Creator payments become native. Subscriptions, tipping, microtransactions, commerce, and potentially investing tools all sit inside one ecosystem where identity and finance merge. That is not just a payment feature, that is a platform shift. People often bring up WeChat in China as a comparison, and rightly so. WeChat integrated messaging, payments, shopping, and investing into a single app and became embedded into daily life. It handles trillions in transaction volume annually. Now, Elon has referenced that model repeatedly. The difference here is that X operates in Western markets with a global reach, and it's layering artificial intelligence through XAI on top of that foundation. If financial identity, payments, and AI converge inside one platform, that becomes something far more powerful than a social app. Now, none of this means X replaces banks overnight. It doesn't mean lending products, high yield savings, brokerage accounts, or asset management tools are live tomorrow. But disruption never arrives fully formed. It begins with a wedge. Now, the wedge here is payments. Once payment rails are trusted and adopted, expansion becomes incremental rather than revolutionary. And this is where most people underestimate the move. They evaluate X as it exists today instead of evaluating its trajectory. Now, the same mistake was made with Tesla, the same mistake was made with SpaceX. Early execution looks messy, infrastructure takes time. But once that flywheel turns, the market rewrites its valuation models. Digital payments globally represent tens of trillions of dollars annually. Even capturing a modest slice of that through hundreds of millions of users creates an entirely different revenue profile. Payments generate flow, flow generates yield, yield plus transaction fees plus embedded financial services creates compounding economics. And suddenly that $44 billion acquisition doesn't look reckless, it looks strategic. Most people still see X as a controversial social media platform. I increasingly see it as a potential financial layer sitting on top of a global communication network. If identity, payments and distribution converge, that becomes incredibly difficult to compete with. Now, you don't have to like Elon Musk to recognize pattern recognition. You don't have to believe every ambitious claim. But if he executes this even partially the way he executed Tesla and SpaceX, then this is not just another tech pivot. This is the beginning of something much larger. Now, Elon may very well be about to win again. And if that happens, it will not be because of tweets or politics. It will be because he quietly turned a social network into a financial infrastructure.